Hi besties, in this video I am going to show you guys how you can simply and easily do your afro bob human hair with just your braiding extension. So all you need is just your braiding extension and any material. It can be broom, it can be anything. For me, I'm making use of broom. So the next thing you have to do is to just pick little from your braiding extension and start to twist, and then you roll it on whatever material that you're making use of. Okay, so you keep rolling it the way I am doing. Make sure it's tight. Then when you are done with one side, you switch over to the second side. How you can easily do your kinky afro hair right with your braiding extension, that's the attachment. Then when you are done, go ahead and apply hot water on it. The white stuff I added was just air conditioner. I can choose to add it, you can choose not to add it. Okay, if you have it, any hair conditioner of your choice, go ahead and add it. So this is it, and when I'm done losing it, so you have to allow it dry a bit, then go ahead and loosen it. If with that, you can do your passion twist with just after losing it, use it and do your passion twist. But for this video, we are making our afro hair. So when you are done losing it, just go ahead and see what I'm doing. Start separating it by dragging it from one end. Okay, you drag it from this end, then you drag it from the other end, or you can simply just scatter it, like scatter the coils. Okay, or it's easy, just do exactly what that. From the one end you drag it, then the other end you drag it. So this is what you will get. This is just your afro bob hair, and this one is very soft. So this is me just packaging it. Okay, just packaging just the way packet afro hair, afro kinky hair, the way it normally come. That's exactly what I'm doing. So with this video, just with your braiding extension, you can do your afro bob hair at home. Trust me guys, this is very soft, very moist. Like, the feeling is very nice. It's not hard like the normal kinky hair I do get in the market. I've used this particular one to make micro twists. If you've not watched that video, check. I don't know if I uploaded this as a short video. I've showed you guys that when you use it to do your micro hair, it comes out nice, it comes out neat. Okay, just go ahead and watch that video, see the outcome of this particular kinky that I made at home. Check my short video, one of my short video. I think I made it as a short. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Do not forget to like. If you're yet to join the family, kindly hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.